What's up, guys? It's Bones, and you know the drill by now. Another year past means another snowboard trip. So you guys know how much I love Montana. It's a great spot to go snowboard and it'll always be awesome for me. But last year we decided to go to Park City and it was a great experience going out there, someplace we'd never been. So this year we're gonna continue on going to a different spot we had never been. We're gonna go to Heavenly in the Lake Tahoe region. It is on the Sierra Nevada mountain range. You can go down the California side or the Nevada side, all from the same spot. So pretty cool that you could hit that up any way you choose. Hopefully this video is fun for you guys. Let's get out there and ride. This is our view outside of our hotel room here. It's pretty wild. I don't think we've ever had a view like this in any place we've ever stayed. If you don't know nothing about waxing your board in a hotel kitchen, you really haven't done it before. The key is you gotta wax in the kitchen, so that way when you scrape off, the mess is on the linoleum and not on the carpet. First day out on the hill here. We've never been to Heavenly. It's gonna be a good day. We're gonna get lost probably trying to find where we need to go, but we're gonna figure it out. We got beers with, we got the peeps. We're gonna do it. All right, first day out on the hill here. It's a bluebird day, windy, colder than we thought it was gonna be up here, but we got the brewskis, the twisted teas, and we had to get a little shuttle ride up to the hill. A little bit different than what we normally used to. A lot of times we can just walk to our lift, but let's go explore this mountain.
Yeah.
Just got some food here at the bottom of Comet Express, and the prices out here for this stuff is a lot different than what we're used to at Whitefish or even Park City for that matter. But four beers cost us $60. It's a hefty amount. Granted, you're on vacation, so you'll take it. You know, I mean, you pay that premium. That's what you do. I mean, chicken strip basket, which was about $9 at Whitefish, cost us $22 out here. So just a little shock and awe value, but we'll strive through it, and just when you can, pack your own.
I feel like they all have the same heat.
A little steep over here. We're in Mott Valley, and it doesn't do it justice, but I mean the incline is like it's like crazy. so I wish you could do it justice, but the view over there is pretty sick. Snow's nice. It's gonna get tracked out here eventually, but just out here exploring that new terrain, right, Brianna?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. The other two are about 30 yards below us. Let's do it. Here's to the first day being complete. It was successful. We'll find our way back, hopefully, and then we'll go for it.
Yeah.
Cheers
really
to you. Second day out, Bluebird Day. It's a little warmer than it was yesterday, so I'm sure it's gonna get crusted over, but we're gonna try to hit up the California side today. And we got Micah's brother Pug with us, so we got an extra little body out there to keep an eye on. And we got that aiming fluid, so that way we don't lose sight of anybody.
Hey, these lines are long on a beer, well I might as well enjoy it.
We're out here just poisoning our bodies with like chocolate and Pop-Tarts and liquor and beers. Pug brings a thermos and an apple.
Yeah, coffee for lift.
I can't afford an apple anymore.
I don't trust him.
Oh! How do you like them apples?
I wish this actually did justice for you guys, but it's insanely beautiful looking out here. If you get the chance to come out to Heavenly, it's pretty neat seeing this ginormous lake out here that doesn't freeze over. And it's like beautiful. So come out here to Heavenly, man. It's a once in a lifetime experience. Well, we are about halfway through the day here. We are in line at the Sky Express. As you can see, it's packed. It is a Saturday, so I mean, you got to expect that all here on the weekends, you're going to get a lot more people, especially on like super nice days. Families and anybody and all people come out here and ride. So, I mean, that's part of it. You know, if you can find like a lift that maybe is like a little bit more off the beaten path, I'd rather probably ride that, so that way you can get more runs versus maybe sitting on one of these long ones. But the problem is when you get over here, you kind of have like only select options, so you got to just ride what's here. We rode the one behind me over here, and that was not bad, but the lift line was a little bit shorter, and the run was a lot shorter too. So it's kind of those pros and cons, right? You want to be able to like get as much bang for your buck and get as many runs in, but you don't want to stand in line all day. So, you know, it's kind of like Disney lines out here right now on the weekends. We're still here Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, so I'm guessing the crowds will tame down a lot in that course time frame. But we're gonna make the best we got. However, we're out here with some good people, good times, and we're riding it. Let's do it. It's so steep down there. I'd say that's straight up, just up and down.
Too many rocks.
You'd be in one going down that.
Yeah.
But we might not have an option. So we ventured off under some ropes. There was a bunch of skull and crossbones saying, "You're at your own risk coming over here." And yeah, it's been probably the best run we've had today. So we can see the city where we're going down here, and hopefully it leads us to where we need to be. Pretty much untracked over here though, for the most part. Well, so far this has been the nicest run we've been on out since we've been out here. There's no wind. I mean, it's beautiful. The snow is so fluffy. I mean, we haven't had a ride like this in years. So this one run, definitely worth coming down here. Well, we made it out of there. That was a really good run. A lot of pillowy lines in there. Super fun. Probably the best run we've had, I'd say, in years. But you know, we ended up over here on this road, on Saddle Road here, and we got to walk a little ways, but it's been downhill for the majority of it, and we're coming up on a lift here. So overall, it was a good gamble to take. You know, we checked out the maps before we jumped over. You know, still a little bit unsure about where we were going, but we took a gamble, and it paid off. Sometimes it's worth it to take that gamble and do that, but you know, be advised, do that at your own risk. So we went down the gondola lift, and definitely if you get a chance to come out Heavenly, this is kind of the run you should hit up, because there's some sweet powder lines, pillows everywhere, and you're gonna find something you like out here, that's for sure. But look, check this view out, man. There's pillow lines, everything you need right here.
Look at those little kickers, Micah.
Hit the gondola. It's where it's at, and it leads you to the village down below, so you can get some snacks and some brewskis, and maybe see some puppies too. I mean, I don't remember the last time I was able to go out on the hill and actually hit carves, you know, with uninterrupted snow, just untracked. Look at this. This is insane. This is what we come out here for. So if you ride the Heavenly Gondola up, there is a stop about halfway up here where you can get up and look out. There's a little shop where you can buy beers and souvenirs and all that. But I just learned that the state line is in the center of the lake where Nevada and California meets. So pretty neat. Even if you don't like snowboarding or skiing, which if you're watching this video, you probably do anyway, but you can actually ride this gondola up right here behind me with no skis or snowboards and just get up here and come and look at the place. Pretty neat. If you get a chance to swing out here in Nevada or California on Heavenly, check this out. Pretty cool. Like, this video just doesn't do it justice for what is behind me, so you're gonna have to see it yourself, but I recommend you come do it. You guys ever been around here before?
Nope.
You ever seen a grown man naked?
I don't recommend it.
What do you know about this Lake Tahoe Pils?
Fine Pilsner.
Actually,
Is it as good as a triple hop brewed great Pilsner
it's
taste of a Diet Miller?
It's a classic Pilsner.
Yep.
Lake Tahoe's premier Czech style lager. Crisp, refreshing, and clean.
So we made it through the day. We made it down here to the bottom of the Heavenly Gondola. We're gonna have to get an Uber back from here because we're on the Nevada side and there's just no way to make it back to there. So great trip, good times. Brianna and Micah and Blake are doing some shopping here at the shops. I think if we were to come back here next time, we would probably stay in this village area because this gondola is super convenient to where we like to ride on these lifts, and it just puts you in kind of a good position so that way you can ride this nice terrain here. So my recommendation, if you guys can stay somewhere here in the gondola area in the city, Heavenly, this is a great spot. I could definitely see myself coming back here. And on that note, guys, I appreciate all you following along on this channel. If you like this type of content, maybe consider subscribing. How do they get that in there?
We don't want to bang around, right?
4 bottles of white wine. See how many we got of that at the end of the trip.